Hi everyone, welcome to this amazing stretch routine session sequence. We're gonna start lying down today. So okay, lie down and bring your right knee to your chest. Very good. So bring your knee from the chest a bit more to the outside, so to your armpit. If you want to, you can bring the heel up, the foot up, and hold it here with your right hand, but you don't have to. Just the next level or a different level. Just stay and breathe. And then take that knee, bring it across your body to the other side, drop it to the floor, and then you bring your right arm to the top right corner. Your head follows your arm, so you are like twisted. Stay and breathe, and try to let the right shoulder sink towards the floor. And then bring your arm back. Take the knee, bring the knee back to your chest. And then let it sink back into the floor. And now just stay here for a moment and feel. Maybe you can feel a difference between right and left side. Just notice it. Don't comment or judge it. And then take your left knee into your chest. Stay here. Hold. Breathe. Bring the knee a bit more to the outside towards your armpit. And if you want, you can take the foot with your left hand. Just hold it here. And then grab that knee with both hands. Bring it to the other side, to the right side. Drop the knee to the floor. And then take your left arm and bring it to the left top corner. And let the shoulders sink into the floor. And your head is also towards the left. Just stay, enjoy, and breathe. knee back to your chest. And stretch. Let the legs sink into the floor. Now just stay here and notice and then bring both knees to your chest. And with a little bit of a swing, you come up into seated. Stretch your right leg and put your left foot in. Now you take your right hand and grab that foot from the top. Sit upright, lift your left arm, and with the inhale, you push that foot to the front and you open up to the back. The rotation, and with the exhale, you round your back. With the inhale, open up, and with the exhale, round your back. Inhale, exhale. Stay with the foot in the front. Now just bring that back hand to the front while you drop this other leg to the floor. And if you can, you grab that other foot like you have a cross grip. If this is too intense, you can do it here or like this. Yeah, just choose your level. If you can, come with me all the way. Back straight, chest pushes forward, and then you lean into the stretch. Just stay, breathe. And release. Now keep the left leg out, bring the right leg in. Left hand grabs the right foot, sit upright, right arm, and then inhale, you push forward while you open up towards the back at the same time. And with the exhale, you round and bring everything together. Inhale, open up, and exhale. And inhale, and exhale. Stay with the foot in the front. Just bring that back hand also forward while you drop that heel. And again, choose your level, like this, like this, like this. And then stretch forward. Just lean in, enjoy. Breathe deeply. And slowly release. Now cross your legs or place them in front of each other. And then take your left hand on the right knee and turn towards the right. Ooh. Just breathe. Try to twist a little bit more with every exhale. And release. Change the side. Inhale, and then with the exhale, rotate towards the back. Stay there. And with every exhale, you try to twist a tiny little bit more. And release. Grab both knees. With the exhale, round your lower back. Relax. And with the inhale, sit up straight. Exhale, round your back. And inhale. And relax. Inhale. And exhale. Head, heart, open up. And release. Again, inhale. Exhale. Head, heart, open up. Inhale. And release. One more time. Head, heart, open. And release. One last inhale. And let your hands sink. Stay. Thank you so much for joining. Have a wonderful day or evening. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future stretches, yoga, or meditations. And leave a comment. Thank you.